YouTube channel. I have Kylie with me. Say hi. Hi. She's videotaping. So yeah, she has her own YouTube channel. So go check out Kylie Hatton. So awesome. And I'm Evelyn, as you guys might know. My channel changed back because somebody tried to block me. Actually, this is real. And now I have to change it to EVT.
Your eyes look evil.
I know. Sorry about my eyes that they look evil. But yeah, Maddie, Riley, Kayla, gives me a shout out. Thank you so much, Kayla and Maddie, for your good comments. And what else was I gonna say? Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to be notified every time I post. Comment hashtag Unicorn Squad to get a shout out in my next video. Comment hashtag Notification Squad after you hit that bell. Punch that bell in the face, and then yeah, but don't punch it too hard if you're strong, because then you might ruin your thing. So yeah, today's life is Squishy's camera with Kylie. So let's get started. Oh, I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. I want to order some squishies. Can I use your phone? I'm gonna order some squishies.
Evelyn, pause real quick. So guys, if I cough once in a while, it's because I'm kind of sick, so don't mind me. Okay, go.
Oh my gosh, there's so many slime ASMRs. I wish I had some, squishy ASMRs. What?
Does Kylie's mama know where she is?
Yeah. Okay, so I was like, oh my god. So, oh my gosh, these slime videos are so great. You know, I'm gonna order some squishies. Squishy videos. Oh my god, what is wrong with me? I already have slime. Look at all this slime I have. You know what? Well, I'm gonna get started and go to order some slime. Ooh, look. Kawaii slimes. Kawaii squishies. People, I'm so darn dumb. I haven't made a squishy video yet, so that's why I'm not used to it. Oh my gosh. These squishies are amazing. I'm ordering from Kawaii Squishies. Okay, guys. I'm Kawaii Squishies. I'm being in a video because this stupid girl wants squishy. So, let me just get her invoice for a minute. I don't even know where I put it. Is it under my bed? Oh my gosh, it better be. You know what? This is just a random package under my bed. Yeah, I don't care where her invoice is. I'm not even going to put it in that. You know what? You know, just get off it. First, she wants a milk squishy. So, she wants the pink one of this, but I have the blue one. And, she doesn't deserve it because she's not the squishy queen. So, yeah, she's just going to get this green one with two faces, and she only wanted one face. And the hearts are pink, but she wanted the hearts on it teal. And this is a rip-off version because it's not even branded by the same brand. It just has numbers at the bottom. So, that dumb squishy's for her. And you guys think this is regular, actually squishy banana. It's made out of sand. And it is $3.99, but I'm going to give it to her for $50.99. I don't even know how money works. So, yeah. And it's in the bag. Hopefully she does not see the tag that's actually worth $3.99 because it better not be. Next is this super dumb, it looks like Barney and the clown from Ronald McDonald did this, and Barney did this. This is ridiculous. Why does somebody need this? She wanted it all pink and blue, all pretty and nice. This one's so bad, and it's the rip-off version of the Toys Box Shop unicorn, which I already have, but it's super defective, and I actually don't want to give it to her because it's super soft, so amazing. Next, she wants a jumbo brown poop, but this is Kylie's squishy, by the way, but this smells like cupcake. She wanted it to smell like actual poop, and I don't know who would. But, yeah. So, I'm going to give her this rainbow one. Even though she probably doesn't want it. But pretend you'd received the package. And you got a makeover the next day.
Yeah. Oh
my gosh, this is just amazing. But I'm going to give it to her. She wanted the ones on the ice cream cone. But I only have this one. And this is really hard and defected. So, that's what she gets. This one had frosting on it, and sorry about it, I was really gross a minute ago. This one had frosting on it, but now it doesn't. So, oh my gosh. Oh yeah, thank you so much for 15 subscribers. Yeah, this is a cactus. This is the rip-off version of that old, it's a really old I Bloom cactus, but I'm just gonna do this rip-off version, which I think is actually cuter, so. Yeah. She wants a, the Lampo cheeseburger. I'm just gonna give her this, soft and slow or one. But this one's super soft, but it has some rips in it. You know that popcorn was the Punimaru characters in it? I'm just going to give it this one. It's pretty soft, but this has this bulky thing on it, and I'm not gonna take that off. Then this is like a fake squishy. See, she wanted like a mochi squishy. I only have one mochi squishy, and it's really bad. But I mean, yeah. So here's just like the little tag, but like, yeah, it's like a narwhal, and it has like slime in it. And it's not really a mochi squishy, but like, I have 3 of them, and I don't want to give them 2 of them to her because I love them. And then this is like the cotton candy kitty, but I'm not going to give her the slime that I have. This is just like the squishy. It's like, super cute. I mean, like she wants this. She wants it like the Blambo cake truffle thing, so she'll want that. Oh yeah, gotta get her extras. Stupid extras. Okay. You know, I'm going to give her one of my Karina Garcia Craft City slimes. These smell super good. I guess I'll give her my favorite one since I'm so nice. Green apple goo. Sorry about Kylie. She's just kind of like congested right now. Right?
Yeah.
This one is super bad and super jiggly. It's an iceberg slime that I got from Tennessee. And I think I might give her an extra squishy mushy just because I am so nice. And then I have this stupid random bag thing I can just put it in. So, yeah. Why not? And this is that voice. You know what? I actually might give her something else so that she doesn't think I'm being kind of greedy. You know what? I'm going to give her a used lip balm because that's what everybody does. So, here's my used lip balm, and I'm going to give this to her. Well, you make sure it's not your grandma so you can take this over. No, your grandma's not home yet. It's just the boys making noise with the scooters. Okay, so I'm going to just sip this off, and I have to find a box or a bag for all the squishies.
Guys, that way we don't show everyone's address. I'm just going to look outside real quick. So, this is what the outside of our house looks like, and those are the 2 boys that are super annoying.
I have a bag, but I don't think it's going to fit all the way.
Okay, so you can't see my address because it's hidden. So,
I'm just going to pour these books out and put everything in the bag. Oh, I care anyway because it's not my bag. You know what? Too late. I don't even have anything. I'm just going to ship these off, and like maybe the mailers will like find a bag for them. So, yeah. Wait, I feel like I'm really close. So I'm going to give her another extra. I'm going to give her another extra because I'm being really cruel. And I'm running out of time because I have to go to a dance tonight. Oh my god. You know what? I'm just going to do this extra thing because this is not even good. It's still hard, so yeah. The next day, your mail's here. Okay, guys, so the receiver got a makeover.
I didn't order this. I didn't order this cat. I ordered them on a phone. Oh, at least she gave me an extra squishy mushy. Slime. First slime. Pretty good. I'll use the lip balm. And snow slime? Iceberg slime? Okay. Oh, here's a banana.
Ew. Oh, sorry guys, here's the phone. I'll just do this. There's a banana. Just hurry. There's a banana.
Here's a stupid banana. Here's popcorn. Another popcorn. Stupid. Oh, this looks like Barney and Ronald McDonald had a child. Stupid. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Kylie. Thank you for joining me in this video.
Check out my YouTube channel, Kylie Hatton, and I post on Mondays.
Yeah. I post every day almost. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. And she's so nice, and she's my best friend. And look at my cat headphones. Like, they're a bomb. And yeah, thank you so much to Kylie for joining me in this video. Go check out her YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, and try to post and keep me notified every time it is. Comment hashtag unicorn squad. After you hit that bell, you can comment hashtag notification on. Thank you so much, Kayla, Maddie, for your nice comments. Thank you so much, girl. I love your videos. Thank you so much for 15 subscribers. I'm super duper grateful. And what was I gonna say? In any sort of way, this is a skit. Never ever in my life would I ever do this. I hate being scammed, and yeah, skit. So as I repeat, it's in skit. And yeah, thank you so much for on. Thank you so much for 15 subscribers. Riley, if you guys are watching this, Riley, you guys get a shout out. And Kayla and Maddie, you guys can shout out too. And Ryder, if you're watching these, please tell Trevor I'm very sorry. I'm such a jerk. And I just got let my anger get over me because I got it in the fight. If you guys don't know that, I think I'm going to try to post another video tonight because I didn't post yesterday. And I know it could probably post. So yeah. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. And this is a skit. Never ever would scam anybody in my life. Thank you so much, Kylie, for joining me. Go check out her YouTube channel.